Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the Only Way Smart Gesture feature and making sure permissions are granted. You must update firmware, then open Settings and flip Smart Gesture on. This primes sensors and the learning model. Once done, calibrate by following the on-screen guide that records 3 natural motions: swipe, pinch, and hold. Make sure the device is on a flat surface and your hand is within the indicated range so initial readings are accurate and the system can learn your motion profile. You now train gestures to match your habits. Start with 1 gesture at a time and perform 5 to 8 consistent repetitions. The model averages motion patterns to reduce false positives. Once recorded, use the gesture editor to test and remap each action to an app or shortcut, rename for clarity. If motions misfire, lower sensitivity. If recognition misses, raise it slightly. After edits, run the validation routine that simulates real use to confirm reliability across lighting and angles. You finish by deploying Smart Gesture into everyday use and selecting Always On if you need background recognition. This keeps the sensor active with minimal battery impact. Make sure to test gestures in real contexts, phone calls, pocket checks, and while walking so you can fine-tune mappings. If gestures fail, restart the gesture service or reboot the device, then recalibrate and clear the app cache. A final tip: if problems persist, retrain the specific gesture, rather than resetting all settings to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.